So in this video, we're going to be doing 5 easy car maintenance tips for your car during the coronavirus. So let's get this video started and cue the intro. So coming in at number 5 is start and drive your car at least once a week if possible. So I'm not saying to get out of your house and do a road trip to Las Vegas or something, but I'm just saying to drive 5 to 10 minutes around the block or somewhere that's near you. So this allows for the fluids in your car to not go bad and also reduces various gaskets and rubber parts drying out and failing. So, and the number 4 spot is getting a trickle charger. And now, this is a really helpful tool, and I'll tell you why. Trickle chargers are helpful because they allow the vehicle to not die out and start up every time. New vehicles have to be reprogrammed after their entire electrical systems are drained, and it is very costly from what I have heard. So you might want to avoid that by just buying a relatively cheap trickle charger, and it will not upset you at all. Alright, if you like to keep money in your pockets, I suggest that you listen up for this next part. So I suggest you to buy some fuel stabilizer to pour into your gas tank, because this will prevent for your gas to not go bad, especially since you plan on not driving your car for a while. Putting fuel stabilizer help prevent you from getting your fuel tank, fuel pump lines, and etc. from getting refurbished, which costs a lot of money and time. You can buy this product at your local Walmart, your local Home Depot, and possibly your local Mobile Mart or your mobile gas station. So coming in at number 3 is getting a cover for your car. Now here's why I'm telling you to purchase a cover for your car. If you like what your car looks like right now, I highly recommend that you should buy a cover, because that's gonna help preserve the paint for the car for the time that's gonna be sitting for, and it's gonna prevent it from getting scratched. But beware, try to buy the best possible cover as you can. Also, don't go and put a tarp on, because that's just gonna be even worse from buying a bad cover, because that's just gonna scratch the paint even more, and you're just gonna be so upset that you put tarp. Just don't. So for this next one, I'm gonna go through it really quick. So this is basically just performing normal maintenance, such as like changing the oil or checking all the fluids, and just taking it to a mechanic to get everything sorted before you just park it in your driveway or something, because that's just a good thing to do. So next one. And finally, at number 1, it is clean your car like you clean your hands. I hope everybody does, because yeah, that's safe for you. Well, like, if you clean your hands, might as well clean your car for once, and then just put it away in your cover or in your garage for a while before you drive it after this whole pandemic is done. And it's just a nice treatment for your car. Just get your hands a little dirty, but then wash them afterwards. And yeah, it's time for the outro. Anyways, I hope you guys are staying safe out there, and especially since there's a virus going around. Hope you're washing your hands, doing what you're supposed to do, stay at home, and yeah. And I know you guys are having a lot of. Anyways, guys, this is all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video, all that jazz. And this will be me signing off.